from $100 to $5,000 in forex trading, with the main focus on Bitcoin. So let's get started. We started this account with $100 in the hope of growing it to $5,000, which is our target. So currently we are at 1,100. Yesterday we had some bad trade, so we have to close on the negative yesterday with over $150. If not, this account would have grown to at least $1,300 as of now. The last time we posted, we were at $718. So we have almost doubled the account from the previous post. So if you want to join me and trade, I will post the link of my broker in the comment section, and I use Okta. So check the comment section and follow the link, and then register. Once you register, you get 100% a bonus from your deposit. So let's get started. And then 100% bonus, that means they will give you $100 to start trading. Okay, once you register and deposit. Okay, moving on. This is my today trade. I have to close all the previous trade, and I just initiated this trade right now, hoping that this trade will be a profitable one, and my expectation is to this trade to drop to 60, at least $65,000. So once BTC drop to $65,000, I will be in profit. Then at that time I will be able to close this. Either you will hit my take profit, or I will close the trade manually. So as I promised, I will drop tutorial videos on how to trade in forex market in due course. In few weeks I will start doing some tutorial videos on this. So if you want to learn, you can follow back and check back this channel, and I will advise you subscribe to this channel so you won't miss those tutorial videos. And then on this channel, those that have been with us before, you know that we predict football match also in this channel. So if you want to if you are interested in playing sport betting, this is the channel for you to get short predictions on daily basis. So follow this channel and then subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, well, that is all I will say for today. So let's just hope that today's market will favor us. And then I entered a sell trade at the 66,600. So I believe this BTC will drop to 65,000 before tomorrow, which is Sunday. So let's see how it goes. So at the meantime, let's just keep our fingers crossed, and then see how the market operates. And I will share with you some tips that I use to analyze my own trade before I take any decision. So check the link in the comment section, and then sign up for your trading platform, which is Okta. So by tomorrow, I believe this account would have grown to at least $300 if my prediction goes right, and the market go in our favor. This account should hit $1,300. So before, in a week's time, we should be able to hit our target, which is 5,000 US dollars. So let's keep our fingers crossed, and then see how the market will play in our own favor. Okay, guys, I'm signing out from here. Then I'll expect the tutorial videos by next week. If you have any question or topics that I should create the videos for, kindly share in the comment section so that I will be able to use that to create those videos. And also if you think there's something I'm not doing right, kindly also share it in the comment section. We are all here to learn. So hit the like button, and then subscribe to this channel for those people that are new here. I'll see you guys once again next time.